Hi everyone, my name's David, also known as Osseous, and I'm part of a group called Lofinity. We first started out as a group of like-minded producers who really envisioned creating a community for people in the arts, and our idea was essentially to create a place where people could share their content and make connections and grow collaboratively rather than competitively through lo-fi music. So we wanted to create a video series just covering a number of different topics that we felt were important for new producers and just people trying to get their music heard or their content looked at. And the emphasis is primarily directed more towards producers, but the concepts and principles, they all apply whether you're an illustrator or a photographer or a videographer or whatever. So these are just some of the things that we wanted to talk to you guys about, and hopefully you find them useful.